have a Bomar accordion in candy apple red. It has 41 keys in the treble with 120 bass buttons. There are 4 switches. It has low and 2 middle reeds. Has Musette tuning. It has 4 switches on the treble side, but actually 2 of those are dupes. So we have actually 2 switches on the treble side. And this is what they sound like. This is your Musette. And that's your master switch. On the bass, we have this. This is a vintage accordion. As I said, it's a candy apple red. It has Musette if you like a Musette tuning. White bellows with the red. I'll play something so you can hear what it sounds like.